Hi, welcome to another lesson in Jamaican Patois. Remember, after I have finished doing my commentary, I give you an overview in English. So, with the help of your Talk Jamaican Dictionary, which is available at Amazon.com, you will be able to chat like a wee in no time. Have yourself a wonderful day and remember to subscribe to this channel and share these videos. Massa, you see how they had enough white policemen in America and policewomen who look like them only wake up every day if they find black people to shoot and kill. Massa, they shoot black picnic with tie gun. Then go in a woman's house, go shoot her in her bed. If they find one little thing wrong with your car, they shoot you and kill you. Them the people in the police, in the olden days, them did have one something named, well, they still have it, but they're not so bright with it now, but they did have some people named Ku Klux Klan, and then put sheet over themselves so nobody can see them and know who are under the sheet. But after them catch couple of them, you know what they start to? Then go join the police force. Yes, true. Then join the police force and they start go out and look for black man for shoot and black woman. Because if them was police, when the white people do anything, they would arrest them or shoot them too. You see how the white people them go to try overthrow the American government and take over the parliament. And the police not trouble them, And you remember all that boy, they will shoot up the black people, them a pray. And he no kill himself, because plenty of them when they shoot up plenty people, they kill himself. But he no kill up himself. He sit down there and police arrest him, and guess what? When them a go jail, he say hungry and then can't go buy hamburger. Lord have mercy. You ever hear anything like that? And you know they have one thing in America, they're serial killer, them a white man, and then we kill all 20 people, and if they no kill themselves, when police catch them, they no kill them, They carry them, go to jail, and then try them. But Lord, if you ever black, you see, make sure say all the blink up on your car work, because they will kill you for that, they kill you for everything up there. I know all of them, But how this a woman say she had 26-year experience in a police force and she don't know how gun feel different from taser? Nah, man, them people they are Ku Klux Klan people in a police uniform. So my black brother and sister watch yourself because them just out there to kill you and you can't know them by look upon them. So wicked man and woman in the American police force, them also, and they no like we and they want to wipe you out. Me glad say that same thing near video camera invade. Cause of that, them catch them, And then got tap until couple of them have to spend a life sentence because the evidence they the video camera have, they can't do nothing about it. And you want to take a bet, you see when that happen? A whole heap of white people go and left the American police force then because they go in there to kill black people, they not go in there to turn police, and if them are going to go to jail, they not turn in there. Watch and see. Isn't it horrifying how there are so many white policemen in the United States who seem to have joined the force only to kill black people? They are not in there to do any policing because you have black serial killers, you have white serial killers, you have white mass murderers, and when these people commit these terrible crimes, what do? They take them in alive. In fact, that white boy who shot up those black people who were praying at church, not only did they take him in alive, but he said he was hungry and they took him to buy a hamburger. Now, on the other hand, when they say they are policing, if black people drive with their indicator not working, they could end up dead. If children are seen playing with toy guns, they could end up dead. Even a lady lying asleep in her bed, they go in there and kill her. The minute you're black in America, you are immediately a target for some white policemen. You know why? In the olden days, these people wore sheets. Nobody could recognize them, and they were known as the Ku Klux Klan. But as they started to expose them, they went and joined the police force, and they continued their habit of seeking out black people to murder. But the good thing is we now have a thing called video camera. Everybody has one. And the darkness of the American policing system is now coming to light. I predict that the day that an American policeman, a white man, gets a life sentence for murdering a black victim, you will see them immediately start leaving the police force. They are not going to remain as policemen and policewomen. They are going to resign because the only thing they went into the force for was to murder black people. And if they are going to be found guilty and charged now, they are not going to continue it. So thank God for video cameras.
Murderer, stick it do that. See, tell them already, we have to tell them again. Tell them already, we have to tell them again. Tell them already, we have to tell them again. Them a murderer, them a murderer. See, them coming at me area want to kill off the youth. No dress up in a jacket and them dress up in a tie. Come a courthouse want to tell pale lies. Them a murderer.